Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Teacher, I think you're facing the wrong direction. My bad. Let's continue. 5 Qs plus 5 Qs equals to thank you.
Hey teacher, I'm Mr. Principal.
Hi, Mr. Principal.
It's time to end the class.
Okay, everyone, class dismissed.
Yay!
Yeah, Mom, I'm home. Sister, I got you a new iPhone. Come here. No hairband. You're showing.